In this video, we'll be telling about how to chat secretly with anyone in Telegram. For this, first what we need to do is open Telegram application. After opening Telegram application, down here you can see one pen like button. Click on this pen like button. When you are clicking on that, here you can see one option, new secret chat. Click on this option. When you are clicking on that, you will reach your contacts. From your contacts, select the contact with which you want to chat secretly. For example, I am selecting this contact. After selecting that contact, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see this chat uses end-to-end encryption and there will be no trace of this chat in their server. So it is not stored anywhere. And there is self-destruct timer. That means after some time, this chat will be deleted automatically. And one more option is there, do not allow forwarding. That means if you are sending message, that message cannot be forwarded. For example, I am sending one message. When I am long pressing on this message, here you cannot see forward option. Anyways, this way you can easily chat secretly with anyone in Telegram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.